Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure Git is installed and you are signed into GitHub. This gives you access and permissions. Once done, create a new repository on GitHub with a clear name and brief description. Choose public or private depending on who should see it. Then clone that repository to your machine or initialize your existing project folder with Git in it and add the remote origin so your local code will have a destination to push to. Now you prepare your code for sharing by staging and committing. You do this to create a clear history. First, run git add for the files you want to share, or use git add. To include everything, this marks changes to be recorded. Next, git commit with a concise, informative message so collaborators understand intent and history. Finally, push your commit to GitHub with git push uorigin main, or push to a branch if you prefer isolated work. To complete sharing, open the repository on GitHub and copy the URL to share or create a pull request if collaborating. This invites reviews and controlled merging. Make sure your README explains how to run the project and add collaborators or enable issues so others can contribute. If something goes wrong, first check the remote URL with git remote v, confirm you're on the correct branch, and resolve merge conflicts locally. This will usually fix push or sync errors so your code stays available.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.